Hi everyone, my name is Angel. I am the night shift mom. I am a wife and a mother, and I work on night shift full time, but I also do work from home in a work from home position. I'm so excited about this video today because this is going to be in collab with This Is the Way We Do It with Lisa. She's such a sweet, amazing woman, and you should definitely check out her content. I will leave her information in the description box, so definitely go check her out. She has some amazing videos, amazing ideas. Definitely go over there after watching this video. So as you can see from the title, I will be showing you guys my favorite cleaning products. So there are a lot here. So let's get started. And I did try to organize these in categories. So let's just get into this video. The first category is all-purpose cleaners. So I have the Method all-purpose cleaner. This one is in the Clementine scent. This is my absolute favorite in this particular, in the Method all-purpose. It smells so good. It will have your kitchen smelling so good. We usually use this to wipe down the counters and things like that, so it smells so good. So here is one of my new favorites. It's the Lysol hydrogen peroxide multi-cleaner. It does disinfect just like the regular Lysol, and it smells so good. So I've been loving this one. So whenever I find it, I usually pick up a couple of those because I just love it, and then it disinfects. So I use this to disinfect my counters. This is also a new find. I have the OdoBan Disinfectant. I just found this one a couple weeks ago, and I've been using it. It smells so good. I usually use the OdoBan for laundry, but I just now found the spray, and it smells so good. And I have my Mrs. Meyers multi-cleaners also. The lemon verbena, that one is actually my favorite. So I use these for like my counters, and you can also use these for on wood too. So sometimes I use them to wipe down all of my my furniture, my tables, TV stand. So they are versatile like that. Okay, so next is going to be the bathroom. I really love the Method anti-bac bathroom cleaner. This is in the Spearmint. So I really love this one. This one's really great. It cleans really good, and it also disinfects. So if you want an alternative to like bleach or Lysol, something with chemicals, this is definitely a good option. And then I also have the Clorox Disinfectant bathroom cleaner, and I use this for the toilet. I use this in combination with Clorox wipes or Lysol wipes or any type of disinfectant wipes together. So I love both of these together. I don't use any type of other, or maybe sometimes I use a paper towel if I don't have any wipes, but I don't use microfiber cloths on my toilet. With my shower, lately I've been using vinegar. So I've been making my own DIY cleaner for the shower. It's like a shower cleaner. You use Dawn dish soap and then vinegar, and you spray down your shower, and it gets it really clean. So it's been really working really well for soap scum. So I'll show you guys how to make that. Okay, so in order to make this daily shower cleaner, you're going to need 1.5 cup of distilled white vinegar and a half a cup of Dawn dish soap. I'm pretty sure you can use any dish soap, but I just use Dawn. You're going to warm that vinegar up in the microwave for about 2 minutes in order to break up that Dawn dish soap. And then you're going to add about 20 to 30 drops of essential oils. You don't have to use the essential oils, but if you don't want to smell the vinegar, I would advise to add the essential oils. And then you're going to mix all of that up and give that a good shake.
I use this every single day after getting out of the shower just to keep our shower nice and clean. And this stuff is amazing. It makes the shower so sparkly and the tub so clean.
Okay, so next is the floors. So for my floors, I use Fabuloso. Well, I use a lot of different things, but I like to clean my floors with Fabuloso, and then I add a little bit of bleach to that. And I also, but this is, I would have to say Pine Sol is my all-time favorite for cleaning the floors. Because it disinfects, but I also put a little bit of bleach in it also just to give it an extra disinfect. So this is like one of my favorites, and sometimes I also put it in a spray bottle and spray down like my counters and things like that. And oh my gosh, it smells so good. But I know you guys know about the original Pine Sol. Okay, and then next we have a Lysol, the lemon scent. This is another one of my favorites to mop my floor with. Next, I have some miscellaneous items. So I have, this is the type of dishwashing liquid, the type of dish soap that I use. I love the Gain. It's in the Honeyberry Hulu scent. It smells so good. It smells so good, and it cleans really well too. Like I've been using this for like years, and I've never had any problems. It smells so good. Okay, so next is going to be the cooktop, the Wyman cooktop daily cleaner. So it says streak-free shine, and when it says streak-free shine, it's definitely a streak-free shine. This is so good on the cooktop. You guys should definitely check this out. And then I have the Mrs. Meyers glass cleaner. It works pretty good. I like it. Okay, so I thought the hype was not, I thought it was like a little bit too much hype with the sprayway, but this definitely is really good. So you guys should definitely check this out. And then here is the Method Daily Wood Cleaner. It smells so good. It's like a almond scent. Y'all. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So you guys should definitely check this out. You can get it off of Grow Collaborative, or you can also pick this up at Target. It smells so good, and it does really good on my wood furniture. Okay, we have soft scrub. This one is the one with bleach. I use this to clean my kitchen sink. You can also use it on like bathrooms, like your tub, your sink. I have used it in my tub and also my sink in my bathroom also. So it works really well. So yeah, this is definitely one of my favorites to clean my sink with. Guys, so I'm kind of a product junkie. So as you can tell through this video, I have tons of products. So I just love a good smelling house. I love a good smelling house, a clean house. Okay, so next up we have like air fresheners, just things that's gonna make the house smell good. Glade and Airwick refills. So I'm not necessarily committed to Glade or Airwick. I like them. I actually like them. I really like them both. But my favorite scent in the Airwick is the Summer Delights. Oh, it smells so good. Even though it's not summer, but it doesn't matter to me. It just smells so good. So, and then another one I like is like the Clean Linen smell. That one really smells good too, because I like really fresh smells too, or like flowery smells. And then I love the Glade ones too. So I have the Clean Linen and that one. My favorite in Glade is actually the Cashmere Woods. So I was going to get that one at the store, but I didn't think it would go with the summer scents, so I got So I like to kind of match up my scents though. See, like we have a flower scent over here, and then we have like a clean smell over here. So, you know, because some rooms have the Glade ones and some have the Airwick. But the Glade ones are in my living room and my kitchen, and then my bathrooms, and then the Airwicks, they're in the bedrooms. And then I also sometimes use the wallflowers from Bath and Body Works, but I don't have any now, but we do have some of these also I only buy them when they're on sale. Okay, and then we do have essential oils. I have like a whole set of essential oils over there. But this one is the lemongrass. I got this one from Walmart. It smells really, really good. It's like one of my favorites, the lemongrass. And then the other one is eucalyptus is my other favorite. This antibacterial fabric spray by Tide. Okay, so this is like one of my new favorites. You just spray this on your couch or like your throw pillows, your throw blankets, your curtains, and oh my gosh, it smells so good. But it's not like it's kind of subtle, so it's not like a overbearing smell. Like sometimes when you spray stuff, you're like choking. But no, it's not that. It's like really subtle, but it just smells like really clean. Well, it smells like Tide, but it just smells really clean without the overpowering of the smell. Speaking of overpowering, so I do have this Renews It Snuggle Super Fresh Fabric Refresher. This smells so good, but it is strong. So if you're gonna spray this, like spray it lightly because it's strong and it lingers too. So it smells really, really good and it lingers. But I do have this one. I haven't used it a while since I've been on that Tide, but I'm definitely keeping this because if you really want a good, get your everything all fresh, this really works. It's really, really good. Mrs. Meyers, these are room fresheners. I actually spray them on my couches and on my curtains, and I haven't had any issues or anything like that. So they smell really, really good. And you guys know the lemon verbena is my favorite. So this is like my favorite, but this peony smells really, really good too. So I love both of these. So, but honestly with Mrs. Meyers, a lot of their scents just smell so good. So it's like you can't go wrong. Like I don't like all of the scents, but a lot of them. I like a lot of them. So I picked this up at Walmart a couple of months ago. It's the Better Homes and Gardens Lime and Eucalyptus. It's a room spray. It smells really, really, really good. So I use this sometimes to just spray and clear the air. So that is all of the type of air fresheners. Well, I do use candles too, but I just don't have any here right here with me. So, but I do definitely use candles next to the laundry. What I use for laundry. So for my laundry detergent, I use the Arm & Hammer powder laundry detergent. I used to use the liquid, but I just recently switched to the powder maybe about a month ago. And I love, 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 love the powder. But I love the Arm & Hammer because it makes your clothes smell so good. I always use I always get the fresh scent. So this is it. I normally get this big ginormous container from Walmart for like I believe it's like $11 and like 15 cents or something like that. But it makes your clothes smell so good. We use OxyClean for like bedding and our towels, and just to give it like a little extra because I'm extra. I use the Purex Crystals Scent Booster Fabulously Fresh Scent. Oh, and it smells so good. And next I use the Lysol laundry sanitizer. If you guys have not tried this, you should definitely try it if you can find it. I know it's hard to find things nowadays, but definitely if you can find it, definitely pick it up. For my fabric softener, I use the Suavitel. I've been using this one for years. And then I use also the Suavitel dryer sheets also. Okay, so I also use this OdoBan Disinfectant for my laundry. I take and put just a little bit in, I would say maybe like a tablespoon or two in our bedding. So, and it makes our bedding smell so good. And you can also use this because it is a disinfectant. You can also use this for like, you can put it like in a spray bottle, or you can mop your floors with it. I've mopped my floors with it. Okay, so that is all of my laundry products, and then obviously I also use bleach, but I just don't have that here. I'm almost done here, so the last thing is going to be tools. Okay, so of course, Of course, I have microfiber cloths, and then these are just like some off-brand magic erasers. All right, and here is my duster that I use to dust the ceilings, like the cobwebs off of the ceiling. And it stretches out really, really far. So I use that for, and I also use it to like dust my TV. And then I have my old cedar spray mop. I love this thing. It's like for just like a quick mop that you just don't feel like making a whole mop water, and it's just like an easy, quick clean. And then I do have the Cedar spin mop, but I absolutely love that spin mop. It's so much better than just having a mop and a bucket. I absolutely love it. It's like the best investment. Toilet wand. Also, I didn't bring it in here either, obviously, because it's in the bathroom next to the toilet. So I didn't want to bring it in here. But that thing is amazing. That's like, I think between the toilet wand, my Cedar mop, and then my Dyson, I think those are like my three favorite, absolute favorite things to clean with. My Dyson, the V7 Absolute, which this model is supposed to be really good for hard floors, because we have all hard floors. We don't have any carpet in our home. And that's the reason why I got this, wanted this model. It's really, really good. It picks up really, really well on the floors. I love it. So I think that is pretty much it. That is all of my favorite cleaning supplies. Thank you guys so much for watching. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and also share this video for someone who would enjoy it. And again, please check out Lisa's channel. I'm going to leave that in the description box. Please check out her channel. She's so sweet, and she has some amazing content, so I know you guys will like it. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at nightshift_mom. Thanks so much for all of you guys' support. Thank you so much. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.